And Dan Bronis, you were telling me even though it was downgraded from a Category 5 to a Category 2, it's still pretty dangerous.
Yeah, a hurricane's a hurricane. And you got to remember that they bring some strong winds, they bring rain, and they bring storm surges. So it doesn't matter what the category, you're going to have some death probably involved in. I'm not going to say it's going to happen with this storm, but most likely, yeah, when you have this powerful and this large of a storm, it could happen. Right now, those winds sitting at 105 miles an hour. It is a Category 2 storm. It has weakened a little bit from yesterday, but it still packs a big punch with gusts up to 130. Now, it could make landfall our time, 9 o'clock tomorrow, right near Wilmington, North Carolina, as a Category 2 or a Category 1 storm. So if you know people right on the coast in that area, they're going to see a lot of water move up from the ocean to land, and that's what we call the storm surge. So that could be bad. They could have up to 6 feet of water on the coastline. That is definitely some bad news. The storm is going to weaken as it moves into South Carolina, but it's still going to bring some heavy rains, and it is going to be a slow mover. So we're talking flooding from all the rains that are going to dump in that area. Then the storm is going to pick up speed, move up to the northeast, but by then it's just going to move quickly and just produce some rainfall across the northeastern states. But nothing like this. You could still see up to 20 to 30 inches of rain in some parts of North and South Carolina, 10 inches even inland. We're talking Columbus, South Carolina could see Columbia could see up to 10 inches of rain. Storm surge along the coast. You can see the blues and the yellows. Yellows are 6 to 9 feet of water moving on land. So that is quite a bit of water. So that is something they're watching closely. Our weather, nothing like that. We do have the winds around, but we got a lot of blue skies across Las Vegas. So things looking pretty good here, actually, here in town. Now, your temperature is sitting in the 90s, 95 degrees across Las Vegas right now, 96 North Las Vegas. Look at your sustained winds. It is windy out there. Southwest wind 22 miles an hour right now. We are seeing gusts up to 20 or up to 35 in some parts of town. Your pollen count's not really changing much over the next several days. They're going to stay right where they have been. Your forecast lows tonight looking pretty comfortable. We're talking mid to low 70s across the Las Vegas Valley. 73 tonight, 70 in Searchlight, and 73 for Laughlin. Tomorrow, your highs getting up to 100 again in Las Vegas, 107 Death Valley. Your 7-day forecast looking okay, especially into next week. It's going to be a little warm, a little breezy through the weekend. Winds probably not as strong as today, maybe Saturday, but Sunday not. 99 degrees, 99 on Monday, and then possibly a cool down. We'll take this mid-90s by the end of the 7-day. We'll see what happens, still a week away, but things looking pretty promising for cooler weather.